Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to work car rental management via Fleet app. So let's see about that. You can see here a module Dev Car Rental Management here already installed. So first go to Fleet app. First go to configuration menu and see here this manufacturer. Next is the models. Here created models for car. Next is the categories. Available all category for car. Next is the type of services. Next is the vehicle status like a request, ordered, registered, etc. Then after tags and activity types. If you want to create new, edit, delete, you can easily do. Next, see fleet. Here available vehicle. Go to anyone and see here is all details of vehicle. Model name, license plate number, tax, driver name, future driver. I want to select as your assignment date, company category. Fill here all details. Let's see. Now go to contract. Here available contracts for vehicle. Next, available services for this car or vehicle. Define here odometer. Now go to available car and I want to find. So select here date and city. And see here no available car. I want to set here Baroda and order date is 30. Let's say you. And now again go to car finding. Order date is a 30 and city is a Baroda. Now click on this find available car. So see here. Display car model name, plate, city. And if you want to book this car, then click on this book car. Display here all details about this car. Now select here customer, booking, start date, end date, deposit, 3000, rent time is a kilometer, odometer is the 20, and last odometer is the 30. Let's say you do confirm. So easily move in draft to confirm. Progress and create invoice. Now go to dashboard and see here this car is now booked in 30 days. Also display in list view. Available here more filter for drivers, customer, category, model, month and year. I want to see that bed events for available any car or available in driver. And see here not available any. Next mark demo. So display for 30 days. Next category. Category wise display all car. Display model wise. Select month wise and year wise. You can also booking in this screen. Click on this booking. Now add here customer. Select model name. Add start date and end date. Deposit is 200. Set here odometer. And rent per kilometer is 20. Do confirm. Now go to car finding and select here start date and end date. And see here my booking card is displayed here. Again go to dashboard and select here October. So see here Booked car is also available here. Now I want to print this. You can easily print this dashboard. Now go to reporting and see here cost for all vehicle. Display here odometers. And see here bar chart, line chart, pie chart. Now go to website and see here this menu for car booking. Now click on. Select here date like a 30 and city is Baroda. Now find a vehicle. So see here, display this car model, plate number, city and GST per kilometer. Now book car and fill all details like Volter. Mail is set here mobile number and now click on this proceed. So see here successfully message for thank you. Your vehicle booking request has been created and this number is a 006. Again go to Fleet app and see here my booking card number is also displayed in this screen 006. Customer Walter and booking date is September 30. So you can also booking from the website site. Also display this in list, pivot and display here all activity. And if you want to create new, so easily click on this schedule activity. And also display here filter, bikes, car, trainer hook, plant for change. So it's very helpful for your car manage. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.